In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to Google Wallet. Now, to be able to add PayPal to Google Wallet, what you'll need to do first is to head over to Google Wallet. Open your Google Wallet and click on Set Up Payments. Now, this will redirect you to the available payment methods for your Google Wallet. Now, in here, go ahead and click on Add Payment Method. Once you click on this will redirect you to a page where you can only add a credit or debit card. Now, since what we want to add is a PayPal account, what you can do is to go ahead and head over to the Google Play Store of your device. If you're using a mobile device or a tablet, now on your Google Play Store, click on your profile, which you'll find at the top right of your screen, and click on Payments and Subscriptions. Now, head over to Payment Methods. And here, go ahead and click on Add PayPal, and you'll be able to find the on-screen instructions, which will teach you how you can add your PayPal account as a payment method to your Google Play Store. Now, once you have added this payment method to your Google Play Store, you'll be able to find this payment method to your Google Wallet. And that's how you can simply add PayPal to Google Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.